Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into something truly special, a concept that's got the automotive world buzzing. We're talking about the BMW 4 Quattro Plus, and let me tell you, this isn't just a car, it's a statement. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's just take a moment to appreciate the sheer presence of this machine. From every angle, the 4 Quattro Plus screams future-forward design while still paying homage to that classic BMW DNA we all love. The exterior is a masterclass in aggressive elegance. We've got those signature double-kidney grills, but they're reimagined here with a striking orange accent that just pops against the sleek white body. It's bold, it's distinctive, and it certainly won't be mistaken for anything else on the road. Look at the lines flowing from the front fascia all the way to the rear. They're sharp, purposeful, almost like a piece of sculpted art. The side profile, in particular, showcases those incredible aerodynamically styled fenders and the subtly integrated orange accents that give it a unique, almost custom-built feel. And those wheels? Absolutely stunning. The large, multi-spoke design with a beautiful gold or bronze finish really complements the overall color scheme, adding that touch of luxury and performance. This isn't just about going fast, it's about looking good while you do it. But a car isn't just about its looks, right? Let's talk about what's under the hood. While this is a concept, the design cues clearly point to a powertrain built for exhilaration. Imagine a twin-turbo inline-six, perhaps even a hybrid setup, delivering jaw-dropping horsepower and torque. The exposed engine bay we saw earlier hinted at a beautifully engineered heart, with carbon fiber accents and those vibrant orange details echoing the exterior theme. It suggests a car that's not only powerful, but also incredibly refined and visually impressive even when stationary. This is a machine where every component, even those hidden from everyday view, is crafted with precision and passion. Now, let's step inside, because this is where the magic truly happens. The interior of the 4 Quattro Plus is exactly what you'd expect from a cutting-edge BMW, driver-focused, luxurious, and packed with technology. The moment you settle into those sport seats, you feel connected. The ergonomics are spot on, with everything falling perfectly to hand. We're talking high-quality materials, rich leather with contrast stitching, and subtle carbon fiber inlays that create a premium, performance-oriented ambience. The digital cockpit is a feast for the eyes. A large, immersive infotainment screen seamlessly integrates navigation, media, and vehicle settings, all controlled by BMW's intuitive iDrive system. The digital gauge cluster is customizable, providing all the crucial driving information at a glance. It's a blend of futuristic tech and classic driving pleasure. Imagine cruising down the highway, the panoramic sunroof letting in the light, your favorite tunes playing, and all the information you need displayed clearly and beautifully. It's an environment designed not just for travel, but for an experience. So, what's the takeaway from the BMW 4 Quattro Plus? It's a bold vision for the future of performance luxury. It takes the essence of what makes a BMW great, driving dynamics, premium quality, and innovative design, and pushes it to exhilarating new heights. While it's a concept for now, it gives us a tantalizing glimpse into what could be. This car isn't just about getting from A to B. It's about the journey, the feeling, and the pure joy of driving. What do you guys think of the BMW 4 Quattro Plus? Is this the future you've been dreaming of? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome car content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.